Turkestan region is a land of diverse landscapes, a combination of beautiful natural complexes and historical sites on the Great Silk Road. The nature of Turkestan region is unique and inimitable. This is an amazing and beautiful region, rich in boggling the imagination, ski resorts, and untouched protected areas. Mountain tourism, mountain climbing, and ecotourism. You will find all these areas in the Turkestan region. Kazakhstan Ravine is a piece located at an altitude of 1900 meters above sea level. The ravine combines 8 snow-covered slopes favorable for the ski resort. Now the construction of a modern ski base is underway. After the implementation of the project, the ski resort will be able to have up to 8,000 skiers at the same time. And all this in one place. The conservation areas and lakes of Sayram Ugam National Park and Aksu Jabagli boggle the imagination. These are truly untouched corners of the earth. The ravines, diverse landscapes, hill torrents, and mysterious lakes and caves of this place will not leave connoisseurs of nature landscapes indifferent. Walk along the ecological trails of the reserve, where Bukhara deer, bears, and hundreds of species of rare birds and animals are found. Touch the amazing nature of Turkestan.